step forward, 60% of your weight on your front leg, 40 on the back, hand positions up. Again, Tyson's movements were, again, he'll jab, jab, uppercut, right hand, hook, roll, roll. Everything was roll, roll. And if in the midst of the rolls, there were steps. So if he's roll, roll, hop, roll, roll, step, off the line. So he's constantly moving, left and right, so he's off the line. It's either a hop up, hop over, hop up, hop over. But again, the feet, it's still the same thing, okay? Half step, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step. All right, so each half step makes a full step. All right, so up, over, up, over, up, over, up, over, up, over, just like so. All right, so I hope that covers it a little bit. I want to go out to my left on the slip. I'm just taking the lead foot. I'm on the back of the ball, the back foot, so I'm just slipping just a little half step forward. Slip, half step, body, head, roll, step over this side, boom, bang, boom, turn, boom, boom, bang. Okay?